Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for the opportunity to present our newly listed ASX diamond mining company to you. Frontier has been listed on the ASX on the 5th of January. We had a market cap of 34 million Australian dollars on the 2nd of February. We own 74% of Star and Sedibeng mines, which we have since acquisition from Petra Diamonds invested 30 million Australian dollars, mainly into development of old infrastructure, upgrading shafts, new mining development stopes. Management owns 63% of the company. Our assets got a 12-year life of mine reserve containing 500,000 of carats at the average value of $304 per carat. Our resource value is 1.3 million carats, and we ramping up production after fundraising since the early last year up to the second half of this year to full production. Our background has been an engineering company with extensive service level support to various listed companies, building, designing plants, for example, Petra Diamonds. We've got extensive underground and diamond processing in-house capability in our engineering workshop in Kimberley, from where all the mines are serviced. We are used to best practice safety and compliance standards. We understood the operations well after 3 years now with consistent geology. We convinced that these assets got a lot of potential. It's an engineering challenge to mine the product and get it on surface and process it. We've got very high resource grades, 80 carats per ton at Star and 48 at Sedibeng. Our diamonds are very high quality, plus 90% gem quality. We're continuously driving volumes out of these mines with lower operating costs, improving margins. We are currently appraising various other nearby diamond resources and potential acquisitions to grow our company. We are bullish about the future of diamonds. Mainly, there's a demand for diamonds. There's a 2 to 5% growth forecast for the demand of diamonds. The existing mines are mined out. No new diamond discovery this major mine was discovered in the last 20 years. The long-term demand will definitely outstrip the supply. Our diamonds are of high quality, large gems, which are not very popular within the jewelry market, but also as investment of hard currency. And diamonds have got a well-regulated Kimberley process that manages the supply and the marketing of diamonds. Our diamonds are good quality. On the left, there's a picture of the 2-day sort. As you can see, plus 90% of the diamonds is gem quality. The mines are renowned for exceptional stones, of which we've recovered some already, and the largest one on record being 126, discovered by Petra Diamonds in 2007, that sold for $5.3 million. The mines are located around the Kimberley diamond field areas, as well as the Free State diamond fields close to the Beers Voorspoed mine. The ore body is a 2.5 kilometer long, near vertical, narrow fissure ore body that's been mined over years, up to 750 meters at the moment, at consistent grade. As I said, the ore body extends further down, and the resource is basically only determined as the mine deepens, the resource extends further down. So you always got about 12 years of reserve. At Sedibeng and Star, similar to Sedibeng, that's the new blocks planned to be mined. Traditional method of mining has been open stope, overhand and underhand mining, very labor intensive, drilling only 1 meter advance blast sections every time to be cleaned by hand and to be barred and supported continuously, very labor intensive and very slow in production. We've embarked on implementing a new mining method, which is new sub-level retreat mining method commonly used on narrow vein ore bodies, with fisher drives being developed ahead of the stope, with drop raisers as access and to clean out the fisher drive material, mechanized drilling of the fisher then behind that allow a new drilling pattern that will, together with the support of the fisher drives, dramatically reduce the amount of waste to be mined with the fisher material. This new method will have a major impact on our revenue. With this method, we will be able to increase stope production at Sedibeng by 50% and at Star Diamonds by nearly 400%. This method will have much less dilution than traditionally being the stope method. It will have a lot higher product assurance since nobody can access the mined material, and we only blast the material that we load. We don't blast material in advance and stockpile the material. It's more mechanized, more predictable. It's easier to mine through bad ground, less upset of production. We also acquired, as part of the operation, a mining right from Petra Diamonds, 10 kilometers from Sedibeng mine, which is a blow in a fissure covered by 20 meters of calcrete that was discovered by De Beers, drilled by Petra. We've embarked on a 500,000 ton box sample, which we've started in May last year. We're at the point of treating the first weathered material on surface through our plant, and we'll have the first results soon. To summarize, Sedibeng will ramp up to 2,600 carats per month of diamonds produced towards the end of July of this year. Start 2,500 per month by the end of September this year. The new mining method will drive stronger margins and greater consistency at both these mines. We have the potential to discover more exceptional stones with the higher volumes of ore being processed. We've also currently busy commissioning a tailings plant, which we plan to treat 2.5 million tons of tailings, as well as to treat any fisher ore from nearby operations, which we are currently assessing. We've applied for prospecting rights, which has been accepted and are imminent to be issued for various close-by fishers, with the new mining method will be economically viable. And yes, we are looking forward to other acquisitions available. Yeah, thank you.